Hello, and it's time for a cake recipe. And this cake is a caramel cake, which is really good. And to that goes sugar, baking soda, sour cream, flour, eggs, vanilla, and dulce de leche is cooked sweetened condensed milk. That's what it is. First, we are beating our eggs with sugar on high speed for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then we're adding our soda, baking soda, and sour cream, vanilla, and mix that until it's completely mixed. And it's gonna be like watery like this. And now we're gonna add in our dulce de leche and some flour. And this, you can either use this or you can use a whisk by hand or whatever is gonna be easier. That way flour don't get stuck in one spot. And this is our batter ready to be baked. So I cut out parchment paper. I slightly buttered it. I evened out in the cake batter into 4 because I'm going to make 4. You can half the recipe so you can get half. Or you can actually do 2 full cakes. It'll just be poofier. Bake this on 350 for about 20 minutes or so. It could be more, it could be less. So as long as the toothpick comes out clean, it's ready. So let it cool there completely on this baking pan, and then use a knife if you need to go around, and then let it cool completely on here. But if you like to moisten up these cakes, take them out while it's still warm, or at least soak them with milk while it's still in the pan, so whatever works for you. So because when the cake is warm, it absorbs the water much more. So for the cream, we're doing like heavy cream, butter, cream cheese, some strawberries, sugar. So here's heavy whipped. I whipped it and put it aside. Now we're going to do butter and cream cheese and some sugar, or you can beat sugar with heavy cream as well. So really nothing so big. And then so instead of sugar, I'm using sweetened condensed milk. So you can do sugar instead if you want. And then once you add the vanilla and sweetened condensed milk, fold in the heavy whip, and the cream is ready. Here's the sliced strawberries. Here's the cake, already all moistened up and ready to get going. So put the cream, place some strawberries, and then place the cake on top. And then just continue doing that. The cream, the strawberries, and then the cake until you get way to the top. And then to make this look like a naked cake, I use this spatula. It helps me really good. And then to make it straight lines and everything. And then so that's how I work with. And then I just roll the cake because I have the special table for it. And it works perfect for cakes like this, like for naked cakes. And then just grab the cream and then just go all the way around. And for naked cake, you want to see some of the cake parts. That's how it shows that you have a naked cake. It shows some cake. You can make it extreme, you can make it slightly, so it's up to you. And yeah, that's how you work it out. And then you can decorate with flowers. If you can do it's a baby or whatever you want, if it's for a party. And there you have it. It's easy. Naked cakes are easy, but it's better to do them like the day or the day before because the crust might get a little